Hey everyone, myself Arun, and today I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I'm going to showcase my Google Sheets inventory management system where I create an automation in inventory using Google Sheets. So here we have a template ready for invoice, and then we have 5 sheets here. So this template is taking data from business info. Then we have 4 buttons here: update, add inventory, print this invoice, and cancel items. Step by step, I will show you how these buttons will take place, and it's really an easy way of maintaining and managing our inventory. So let me showcase you one by one at a time. So this is the address for invoice. So this is a one-time activity of adding our address lines here, address line 1, 2, 3, and our telephone number. Then these details are automatically, as you can see here, they are formula and they are connected with this sheet. So for adding, let's say I am creating one invoice for my company, which is a buyer name, company name, street address, city, state, zip and phone, and then we can just add our date. This is a test entry I created, so I just edited invoice number 135, test name, test address 1, 2, then zip address and data respectively. So now to get this invoice details in this invoice template, we just need to copy this invoice one at a time. So this invoice now being these details are automatically captured here, as you can see. 125, test name, address 1, address 2, address zip test, and okay. So these are the details that are captured from the other sheet. Now we have to add the inventory. So to add the inventory, we need to click on this button, add inventory, and it will ask you 3 items, item name. So let's say item name may be test item 15, 1, quantity, let's say 25, and then unit price maybe 6. I'm clicking on this add inventory, and what it will do is now I have got a message here: inventory item has been added successfully. Now, in the items, I can see here, test item 1 has been added with total quantity 25 and unit price 26. Now we have inventory history as well. So now whenever I add an item here, an inventory log has been created. So which is today's date and time. Then our item name 1 as test item 1, then 25 quantity, and the transaction type is inventory, which has been kept in. So inventory in the transaction type. So this is the log that has been created. Now, let's say I want to add some of the items to my invoice that I already created here for this template. So to this, I'm clicking this cancel items because it is already there. So let's say I'm adding the items here now. I'm adding this one. So to add this item test one, let's say I want to add 5 quantities to invoice. So I'm just adding the 5 digit here, and then in the drop downs, I'm just selecting add. Now I can see here, now 25 becomes 20, so total quantity becomes 20. And as we have added 5 items here, so quantity 5 has been added, unit price 26. And then our inventory is automatically gets updated to 20. Now I'm adding one more item, which is item number 17, which is on 17th row. Let's say I'm adding 10 items, uh, item 10 quantity for this invoice. So I'm just clicking on this add drop down here. And now 485 is our current inventory for this, for item number 17. Now, this invoice also gets automatically generated. You can see two items are being added automatically here. And let's say I want to take the printout of this one. So I'm clicking on this print button. And so it will give me a message once it's printed. So it has been printed successfully. PDF created, inventory items updated, Gmail draft ready, and invoice log. So now 4 transactions are taking place here. First is the inventory. So our inventory, the invoice, recently I created the invoice. So the invoice number is 125. Then our invoice name is the name for which we are sending that invoice. So it will automatically add it here. And the invoice amount. So I added the invoice amount to be 580. Now I'm going back to my Gmail here in the drafts, because currently I'm only adding the invoices in the drafts. So this is the attachments got added automatically. We show you how that invoice is printed. So we can see here, this is our logo, then this is our address where we will be adding again. And this has been updated automatically, and there are 2 items that have been recently added here. So this is the PDF where in this, and we can just edit our subject line and then this text in this body, and we can add the email address here, and we can just click on send button. Also, I need to showcase you where these are saved. So, they all are saved in my Google Drive in my PDF folders. Let me showcase you. This is the folder where PDF is saved. So this is the PDF. Showcase you the preview version, 580 amount. This is the PDF. So an automatically email has been generated in the drafts of my Gmail. Now let's go back again. And so this is the invoice details, 4 columns, and then inventory history as well. So now, because we have 2 items now moved, so date and time has been logged, and then whatever the items that has been moved out, so they are being listed here in this inventory history. Now, this is our item sheet. This is our invoice. So also we can see here, this invoice has been cleared. So any information which is in this invoice items, they are already cleared once we click on the print button. So it's an automated event which is taking place. To add another invoice, just go to the business info and add the details here. Just like this one, 121. Let's say I added 121. So these details will automatically added here. Company name, street addresses, they all are automatically updated. Invoice number, and that's it. So this is for the print button. Now I already added, click on add inventory. Then I need to showcase you cancel and update. So there are many scenarios where we are mistakenly, let's say if I click on add inventory here. So maybe mistakenly I added the item name wrong, or maybe quantity wrong, or unit price wrong. So there are certain kind of scenarios where we mistakenly added the inventory. So I have an option of update button. So I just click on this button, and this form is automatically populated. Now what it's saying is select items. So I have a lot of items here. Let's say I created test item 1. So let's say I want to edit this to item 19. With quantity, let's say I added 20. Maybe I have 5 more for this product item. So I added 25 now, and then new unit price, maybe price maybe 12. I'm clicking on the update button. We have a message populated here, inventory updated successfully. Now I'm going back to the item sheet here. So we can see here, item 19, quantity for invoice. Okay, so this is, we can do it manually. This is for quantity for invoice. There's no for this one. So 25 is for new quantity, and then the unit price has been updated automatically. Now in the inventory history as well. So the log has been created. So 19 item, we have 5 inventory more added. So 5 are in quantity of item number 19 has been make as inventory in. So this is an automated event which has been take place. And so this is for the button update. So we can update here. Now let's say I'm going back to the items here. Maybe we have a chances of adding this, adding, sometimes we are adding some items maybe wrongly or by mistakenly we are adding. Let's say I just only want to add item number 17. Let's say I'm adding this with 10 quantities here. And so item has been added to the invoice successfully. Balance gets updated. Now I added 10 quantities of item number 19. Let's add. So by mistakenly I added this one, item number 19. I'm going back to the invoice. We have 2 items. Now to clear or to cancel these items, we have a button cancel items. I'm canceling this one. So what it do is it will cancel all the items, and then our inventory in the items will automatically update. So previously, now we can see here that balance got updated automatically because previously it was 15, and this one as well 475. Now it becomes 485. So this is how if we make any mistake or make wrong items in the invoice, so we just need to click on this cancel items, and we don't want to touch anything over here. So this invoice will get cleared automatically. So I hope you like this video, and maybe you have if you have any, let's say, work, or if you require this whole setup to be done in your computer, or you require this invoicing solutions, or maybe inventory updations, inventory management system. So you can just reach me out to my WhatsApp, or I will be or my email address. So my email address is arunkumar9896@gmail.com, and my WhatsApp number is +917357186374. These details will also I share in the description part of this video. So thank you for watching this video, and we will talk, definitely we will talk very soon with you all. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.